Okay, so in this video I want to look at simplifying fractions which have been added, but at a little bit higher level, probably a merit question. And I'll give an example here. 2 over ab squared plus 3 over a squared minus 1 over 3b equals. So here I've got to look at the denominators and try and get a common denominator, the best one over on the right. I know it'll have to have a 3 in it for this fraction here. The highest I have is an a squared, an a and a squared, so it'll have to be an a squared here. And I've got a b and a b squared, so it'll have to be a b squared over there. I take the highest power as my denominator, and so I've got to then think, what do I multiply this by? I have to multiply it by a 3 and an a to make 3a squared b squared, so the top has to also be multiplied by a 3 and an a. So on the top there, I'll have 3 times a times 2 is 6a, plus, now over here I've got a squared, I need to add a 3 and a b squared. So on the top I'll have to multiply it by 3 and b squared. So I'll have a 9b squared on the top. And here I've got a 3 and a b, I need an a squared and another b, so an a squared and a b on the top. So it'd be minus a squared b on the top there. And that'll actually be my answer to simplify this expression into one fraction like that. Okay, I'll try and do another example of that. Let's see. Okay, what if we had x plus 1 on the top and an x minus 2 on the top and x squared? Just stop the video, see what you can do. Okay, so I wonder what your answer is here, if you can work that out and simplify it. This is subtracted, so be careful of this subtraction sign in here. Let's see, I've got x squared on this side, so I could make this into an x squared by multiplying it by x on the top and x on the bottom. Okay, that would become x squared. So if I had here x squared on the bottom, I'm going to have x squared plus x on the top when I multiply that out. Now this is like a, and I can just leave it like it is, this is a negative 1 there. So negative 1 times x is minus x. Negative 1 times negative 2 is a plus 2 on the end. This is where many students make a little mistake that makes your answer wrong. Okay, so that simplifies to, on the top I have x squared plus x minus x would be 0 plus 2, and on the bottom I have x squared. Is that what you got? I hope so. That's about it for now on simplifying added fractions. Look in your exercise book, you've got lots more examples in there, and in your practice books. It's all about practice. Thanks.